Apple TV 4K Mini. It is small, incredibly efficient, and designed to bring advanced intelligence to every standard display in your house. On the other side sits a jaw-dropping, ultra-premium powerhouse that leaks have just exposed to the world, the Apple TV Vision Pro 8K. This isn't just another streaming box. This is a $1,299 cinema computer engineered to push pixels and refresh rates to boundaries we didn't think were possible on a consumer television. To understand why Apple is creating two vastly different machines, we have to look closely at what is happening with the technology right now. For the past few years, the standard Apple TV 4K has been sitting comfortably at the top of the streaming world, relying on the older chipsets to get the job done. But as the demand for local processing power and computational video scaling skyrockets, the current hardware is hitting a wall. Apple realizes that the future of entertainment isn't just about streaming a video file from a server. It's about using artificial intelligence to rewrite, enhance, and upscale that video file in real time right inside your living room. This realization has split Apple's strategy into two distinct paths. One path is for the mass market, a device that fits seamlessly into your budget while drastically supercharging your existing TV. The other path is an absolute zero-compromise luxury machine built for the ultra-wealthy, the extreme cinephiles, and the hardcore gamers who demand nothing less than true next-generation performance. Let's first pull back the curtain on the machine designed for the masses, the Apple TV 4K Mini. For months, top industry insiders have confirmed that the hardware for this next-generation set-top box is completely finished. In fact, employees at Apple's Cupertino headquarters have been actively using and testing these finished units in their own homes. The physical footprint of this device is incredibly sleek, shrinking down even further than the current design to become a subtle, hidden anchor for your entertainment center. But do not let the smaller size fool you. Under the hood, Apple is replacing the aging processor with a massive performance upgrade. The leaks strongly point to the integration of the advanced silicon, giving this tiny box the exact same processing muscle found in high-end flagship phones. Why does a simple streaming box need that much processing power? The answer comes down to a massive shift in how software interacts with our hardware. Apple has been holding back the release of this finished hardware for one specific reason. They needed the underlying artificial intelligence infrastructure to be absolutely flawless before shipping it to consumers. This new Apple TV 4K Mini is built from the ground up to handle complex local AI processing. When you speak to your television, you won't be dealing with a slow, clunky assistant that struggles to understand basic context. Instead, the revamped intelligence engine will allow for deeply personalized, context-aware conversations. You can ask it to find a highly specific scene from a movie, cross-reference actors across multiple streaming platforms, or seamlessly manage your entire smart home network without a single hint of lag. But the real magic of this upgraded silicon inside the 4K Mini shows up on your display. Think about how much content you watch that wasn't actually filmed in perfect ultra-high definition. Classic movies, older network television shows, and even many live sports broadcasts are still transmitted in lower resolutions. The advanced neural engines inside the 4K Mini are designed to analyze every single frame of a lower resolution video stream, instantly filling in missing details, smoothing out artifacts, and boosting color accuracy. It turns a standard stream into a pristine visual experience that looks like it was captured yesterday. Furthermore, the 4K Mini is rumored to include the latest wireless communication chips, introducing next-generation wireless standards and advanced connectivity protocols. This means your high bitrate movies will stream with zero buffering, and your smart home devices will communicate with absolute immediacy. Even the iconic remote control is getting a stealthy, high-tech upgrade. Rumors indicate that Apple is refreshing the remote to include advanced tracking capabilities, making it fully compatible with locating networks so you never lose it between the couch. Cushions again. Internal changes to the remote's components will also make voice recognition far more accurate, even in a noisy room where a movie is blasting in the background. The Apple TV 4K Mini is clearly shaping up to be the ultimate value king, an affordable, incredibly fast, and deeply intelligent device that brings elite performance to standard living rooms. But while the 4K Mini is built to satisfy the average consumer, Apple's secret weapon is an entirely different beast. Enter the Apple TV Vision Pro 8K. The leaks surrounding this device have sent shockwaves through the tech and home theater communities. Priced at a premium tier of $1,299, this machine is not trying to compete with standard streaming sticks. It is an entirely new category of device that Apple is internally treating as a cinema computer. It takes the spatial computing DNA, visual prestige, and extreme processing architectures of luxury spatial headsets and condenses them into a heavy-duty box designed to plug directly into the most advanced displays on Earth. The flagship feature of this luxury powerhouse is its native 8K video output. Right now, you might be wondering why anyone would need an 8K media player when the vast majority of households are perfectly content with standard 4K televisions. Apple is playing the long game here. True 8K displays are gradually finding their way into premium homes. But up until now, there's been a massive lack of native content to justify buying those expensive panels. The Apple TV Vision Pro 8K solves this chicken and egg problem by utilizing massive, desktop-class silicon to run real-time, industrial-grade AI upscaling. When you feed a standard 4K movie into this machine, it doesn't just stretch the image to fit an 8K screen. The heavy-duty graphics processors and intense neural engines actively calculate and generate the millions of extra pixels required to create a native-looking 8K image. The level of texture, depth, and micro-detail this creates is unlike anything ever seen on a home television. But Apple didn't stop at resolution. The Vision Pro 8K box is designed to support astonishingly high refresh rates, scaling all the way up to an ultra-smooth 240 Hz. When you navigate the user interface, icons will glide across the screen with a lifelike fluid motion that makes standard television interfaces look ancient. This extreme refresh rate capability opens the door for a massive push into premium gaming. To complement this, leaks indicate that Apple is offering storage tiers stretching all the way up to 2 terabytes. This massive amount of local storage isn't just for downloading movies. It is explicitly designed to support high-end gaming experiences. Apple wants this machine to act as a stealth gaming console, allowing users to download massive, high-fidelity games directly to the device and play them at buttery smooth frame rates with zero latency. The integration with Apple's luxury ecosystem goes incredibly deep with the Vision Pro 8K edition. If you own premium personal audio gear, this cinema box will utilize advanced spatial audio tracking to map the physical layout of your room, creating an invisible, perfectly calibrated dome of sound around your head that mimics an expensive multi-speaker theater array. It also turns your massive living room television into a hyper-realistic communication hub. By linking wirelessly with your personal devices, the box can project massive, life-size communication interfaces onto your TV screen, utilizing advanced spatial reframing tech to make it feel like the person you're talking to is sitting right on the other side of your coffee table. When you look at these two devices side by side, a fascinating question arises. Who are these products actually for, and which path will define the future of home entertainment? The Apple TV 4K Mini represents the perfection of accessibility. It understands that most people don't want to spend an exorbitant amount of money on a TV box, but they still want their content to look spectacular, their apps to open instantly, and their voice commands to be smart and responsive. It is the box that will quietly power millions of households, running cool, drawing minimal power, and making every TV look its absolute best through smart software and efficient design. On the other hand, the Apple TV Vision Pro 8K is a bold, uncompromising statement about where technology is heading over the next decade. It is a device built for the early adopters, the tech enthusiasts who have already invested in ultra-premium displays, and the individuals who want a theater experience that completely eclipses the commercial cinema down the street. It treats video processing not as a passive task, but as a heavy computational art form, demanding elite desktop-grade power to manipulate every single pixel on your wall. Apple's future cinema lineup reveals that the company is no longer viewing the living room as an afterthought. By preparing a dual-threat strategy, a highly efficient, accessible mini powerhouse alongside an absolute titan of an 8K cinema machine, Apple is drawing a line in the sand. They are preparing to capture both ends of the market simultaneously. Whether you want a subtle, affordable upgrade to breathe new life into your current television with smart AI, Or you want to pioneer the frontier of ultra-premium 8K spatial cinema? Apple is building a box explicitly tailored for your eyes. The battle for the center of your smart home is officially underway, and the choices landing on your entertainment center are about to become incredibly exciting.